Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. Hope you guys are doing great. And in this particular video, we will be discussing about a secret indicator which you would have not been, heard about. So you would have been using this RSI, MACD, a lot of new traders, but I'm sure you would have not heard about this particular indicator. It's an indicator which has been largely used by a lot of experienced traders. And during this bearish market where everyone are waiting for their holdings to come up, or if it's an opportunity to add on, then this indicator is going to help you out. So the name of the indicator is anchored VWAP. I'll be showing you live how it will look on my screen. So before to that, if you're new to this particular channel, do subscribe to Smart Trader. So I'm just showing this for learning purposes only, not for investment or buy or sell signal. Just for learning purpose, I'm just showing you. So you can go to your whichever broker you're using and search for VWAP. In that you will get the regular VWAP. Okay, I'm not talking about this. I'm talking about the anchored VWAP. Okay. So I'm applying it, and here in setting, I'm just giving here close. And in the standard deviation, I will just select all these standard deviation 1, 2, 3, and also I will just give the shading part. So you get the color over here differentiating. So you can see here standard deviation 1 is this color, 2 is green, and 3 is yellow. So the central line is your VWAP, that is your anchored VWAP. So anchored VWAP stands for anchored volume weighted average price. So basically it will use volume weighted average price. All right, of any stock, or let's say you're going to apply on Nifty 50. I'm just applying on random stock just for an example purpose only, not for buying and selling signal. Now for an investors, if you want to know where to where to buy your stock, is it the right time to buy a stock? See, first of all, you need to ensure that the stock, whichever stock you are looking into, is it fundamentally good? Is there a future growth for the stock? Because if a stock comes down, there should be a reason for the stock to go up. So that is the first rule, right? So after that only you will see, okay, I am going to enter in so and so stock, but I don't know when to enter. Is it in overbought, oversold zones? So in that case, this VWAP, anchored VWAP, will help you out to understand whether when to add the stock and when to offload the stock. Now if you see here, it is applied automatically from here. If you want, you can adjust this to, let's say, April to April, or it's you can adjust it to whichever point you want. Okay, and it will adjust accordingly. So currently it is within 1 year time frame. If you see here, just to see in 52 weeks what were the movements in a stock. For a swing trading, it is always good to see a lower time frame to get the positions, let's say 4 hours or 1 hour. Now in that case, if I see these are the levels for this particular stock. So how do we interpret this particular indicator? Now this middle line, the center line, the VWAP, anchored VWAP, is like an average, or you can consider this like a fair value of a stock. And whenever it is above this, let's say this is like an overbought area, and below this like an oversold area where it's an opportunity to add. Now you see the standard deviation of this color. Okay, this first deviation, this color downside, second is green, third is yellow. So now generally we will consider the second and third as your entry point. This is your first entry point, this is your second entry point. That means if the stock is trading at these levels, it's an opportunity to add this stock if you feel this is a fundamentally good stock which you want to add on to your portfolio. And then if the stock further goes down, it's an opportunity to again add this particular stock. Okay, and if you have a doubt, okay, what if I add here? Can I dump it early, or should I wait for a longer time? It's up to you. If you want to dump it like a swing trading, then if you're taking a position at these levels or these levels, your exit should be above the VWAP, that is anchored VWAP, in the again the green zone, second standard deviation, this area. Second area to dump is the yellow area. Either you can offload fully here, or 50% over here, 50% over here, up to you. But this is just an indicator. Remember, indicator will only give you an indication. It doesn't mean it is short, it's gonna be a profitable trade or loss trade. It is just indicating you where are the levels you can invest in a stock. Now again, in this stock there was an opportunity to add on at these levels. Either you would have added on here, or you would have waited for this level. Again, it's an opportunity to offload, let's say from 500 levels. It's an opportunity to offload at 700 levels. It was showing you here. Now randomly just click on any stock which has been traded for longer time. Okay, now if you see here, BSE over here, if you see, it is always trading above its own average. Now here maybe it's not a greater opportunity for me to add on. It is just breaking out and it is continuing. See, if it is above this red line, the bullish rally is continuing, and once it comes down, the pullback happens. It's an opportunity to add from the below, like big investors add or accumulate in the lower level. So if you're looking for a lower level add on, Now this stock didn't even give an opportunity over here. Now again, this stock, if you see here, it is coming and touching at this point, and over here it has not yet touched. So basically you see this is acting like a support levels, okay? And a lot of people are entering the positions. That's what I'm trying to say. So below the fair value, somewhere at these levels is an area to add on. So now, for example, if you see here, RCF has already come down in this level. Now this may be the first adding level in RCF. If you feel RCF is fundamentally good stock, then only, I'm just giving an example. So I have not checked the fundamentals. I'm just telling you example. So this was an area to add on, right? And further, if it continues to go down, again, this is the level to add on. So it's a basically you need to sit and wait. Now the time frames may change. Now let's say in this particular stock, again, if you see in this example of 1 year movement, this was an opportunity to add on here, first opportunity and second opportunity, and once it crossed, let's say, the standard deviation upside, it was a time to offload because many would offload here. But again, the rally continued, again a second opportunity to offload here, and then stock came down, again an opportunity of adding at this level. It has not gone to the yellow level yet, and currently the market, correction or market fall has impacted all the stocks. So most stocks get this opportunity of adding now. So in a bull rally, generally you don't get, few stocks you will get, few stocks you will not get. But again, entering at the right time is important. So these are like opportunities which you get in most stocks. So an experienced trader will understand. They wait for an opportunity. They don't trade every time they didn't take a trade. They wait for an opportunity in the right stock. So this was the opportunity in this stock. If you see, there was no opportunity in this stock. There is an opportunity over here to add on. Again, in this stock, there is an opportunity when it entered into the green zone. This is an area of opportunity. Second opportunity is in the yellow zone. So if you see here, this was an opportunity. This was an opportunity to dump. It was an opportunity to enter at these area of levels. Okay, this support area. So support 1, support 2, support 3 type, and then again dump at this resistance zone of this area or second zone of this. So this is basically taking the close as an average, right? So according to that, it is behaving. Different stock will have a different behavior. So if you see here, this was an opportunity in this Sundaram company over here, and this was a second opportunity, like I told you. Okay, accumulation, adding at every dip or an area to add on. These were the area of two areas, and then this was the area to exit the position if you are looking for a swing. See, remember, I have just put a 4 hour. I am not putting 1 day, 1 week candle for longer candles. I'm just waiting for a swing over here. And again, now let's say this was an opportunity during this crash. Again, it was the first opportunity over here. Second opportunity when it entered the yellow area, it was a second opportunity to add on here. Now, what is the rule? When the stock recovers, why should the stock recover? If the overall market and economy recovers, only stocks which are fundamentally good will recover. If the business is doing bad, it is going bankrupt, this will completely go down. Keep that in mind. After checking fundamentals only, you need to check the technicals. Whether should I enter here in the peak? No, I should not enter here. It's already reached the resistance zone of 2 and 3 levels already. Okay, first, second, third resistance already. So once it crossed here only, you got an opportunity to exit. Second one itself exit, third one, it's up to you. And same way, once it became below the support line here, you added on your position. Next support line here, the last support line is over here. So you should be having the ability to add on or sit and wait. But for waiting, you should check the fundamentals. So this way, this particular indicator, gives you the exact idea of where to accumulate, like big investors and hedge funds, how they add on positions, and how come they keep adding on in every dip. So this is an opportunity for you, for new traders who don't have any idea. After taking a stock, I feel the stock is good, but should I enter right now or should I wait for the right levels? You can use this basic indicator, which is a secret indicator which most of the new traders will not be using. So hope you got an idea about this indicator. This is only for educational purposes only. We are making videos from 2016 on English YouTube channel. So every video is for learning purpose only. Same way, take it as a learning. During this bear market, you would need a lot of learning so that you don't make mistakes for the next bear market. So hope this video helped you guys. If you like this video, hit that like button. Also do comment on this video. See you soon in one more learning video. Till then, take care, stay safe.